Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2016, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open lock screen and security. Go a bit lower, and here you will notice other security settings. So just click here, and now you will notice clear credentials. So as you can see now, it is not active as they must be removed lately, but if you'd like to do it smoothly, tap on this clear credentials tab as only it is active, and then it will be all you have to do, and all certificates will be removed. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.